Welcome to my channel, FEM Built. My name is Kim. I'm an aircraft mechanic and just a do-it-yourselfer who enjoys working on everything around the home. I decided to start this channel whenever I decided to build my own home without a general contractor. So I thought, why not share this journey that I was on with other people? Kind of discuss, why did I decide to do this? And what was involved in the process? What initial research did I do? How did I budget and finance it? How did I pick out a design? And then what was the building process like? I used a company called Yurii, and it had its ups and downs. So I would love to share that with you guys. And basically also to just let people know that through this process, I learned a lot about myself. And I also learned that if you really have a lot of determination and this is something you want to do, you want to have your own home, you can do it. And so I can show you how I did it. So please come back to my channel and see some more videos on that, some product demonstrations, some of the prepper things I like to do, and just to be inspired on your journey of prepper, homeowner, do-it-yourselfer, etc. Look forward to seeing you in another video soon. Bye.